Hi, I'm Hugh from The Language Professional. Welcome to Sound Sounds. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to pronounce this sound. This sound is one of the vowels in the English language. Do you know how it sounds? Have a listen. Again. Notice that it's a very short sound. Now, in the last two videos, we saw how to pronounce the E sound and the I sound. We saw how E has a very wide mouth, high tongue, and forward tongue. E, we bring that tongue back a little bit, but still high in the mouth. We make our mouth a little bit less wide to pronounce the I sound, and it's short, of course, as well. I. Today, we move our tongue back a little bit more in the mouth, but still high in the mouth. And with our mouth position, we round our lips a little bit to pronounce Again. Let's try saying this sound in some words. Repeat after me. Put. Good. Cook. Would. Okay, let's look at this sound in a sentence. Here's one. So in this sentence we have 5 different sounds. We have took, look, foot, book, and stood, from the word understood. Let's try and say this sentence together. So repeat after me. Book. Foot of the book. Foot of the book. Look at the foot of the book. Look at the foot of the book. She took a look at the foot of the book. Stood. Understood. And understood. She took a look at the foot of the book and understood. She took a look at the foot of the book and understood. Okay, well done. That was great. Here's another example for you to try on your own. It sounds something like this. A good cook would put sugar in the pudding. Again. A good cook would put sugar in the pudding. Okay, good luck.